Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Kishan sir, as a social science teacher. Today I am going to discuss about Ilbert wheel of class 8 subject history. You know, this Ilbert wheel is very much important in the history of India, according to which the Indian just cannot prefer to the foreigner peoples or foreigner judge. Just like here, let us discuss about what is the main motive of Ilbert Bill. The Ilbert Bill was a bill introduced in 1893 for British Indian by Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon passed this Ilbert Bill in 1883, and the main motive of this Ilbert Bill was the bill gave Indian judges and magistrates the power to try British offenders in criminal case. This bill gave highlight to the Indian judges and Indian magistrates to try the cases of British offender in criminal cases and the district level, whereas the introductions of the bill led to the intense opposition in British and from British settlers of the bill led to the intense opposition in Britain from the British settler in India. That's why the bill played on racial tensions. While opposition forced the government to withdraw the bill, this angered the Indians and even highlighted the racial attitudes of the British in India. Here, this Ilbert bill was passed by Lord Ripon in 1883. Its main motive was that the bill gave Indian judge and magistrate, which the bill gave Indian judge and magistrate the power to try the cases of offender as belong to the British government. So the power to try British offender in the criminal cases at the district level. This power given by the Lord Ripon in 1893 to the Indian judge and magistrates. But the British government and the British people did not want that the Indian judge can try the cases of Britishers. So that's why they think about the policy of segregation. There is a racial discrimination among them. That's why this bill was withdrawn by the Lord Ripon by the opposition of the white peoples, because they had the black peoples. That's why white opposition forced the government to withdraw the bill, and this enraged the Indians. That's why the event highlighted the racial attitudes of the British in India. That's why the Ilbert bill was again boycotted by the British government. Once again I repeat that the Ilbert was a bill introduced in 1893 for British Indian by Lord Ripon. The bill gave Indian judges and magistrates the power to try British offenders in criminal cases at the district level. The introductions of the bill led to the intense opposition in Britain and from British settlers in India. The bill played on racial tension, while opposition forced the government to withdraw the bill. This enlarged the Indians. The event highlighted the racial attitudes of the British in India. I think all of you understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.